with Leadership. Hey, big man, what's good?
Oh, it was pop.
I'm nice, Dougie. How was your Sunday night with Leadership?
Well, it was good. It was good. Actually, I wanted to ask for that. What is that previous love, the previous high type of thing that you are saying? That does that also apply for the cells too? You look at
Yeah, yeah,
the previous, or
yeah. It
it's just
does.
that
So remember with the cells,
uh,
it works different. So obviously, when the market is traveling up, it becomes the previous high, and the previous high becomes a new low. But then when it's other way around, then it's the previous low becomes a new high. Understand? So yeah,
oh
it really
yeah.
just it applies both ways, man. Even on currencies, on anything technical, and the whole market, the entire industry is technical. So it really just applies for those. And this is just the beginning. This is like your miners and how to actually kill the chart.
You
You
just look
understand?
for the previous lows and highs, like
Yeah,
the levels where the price mostly rejects. That's what you look for actually.
yeah, bro. Yeah, that's the most powerful way of trading. In fact, that is the most simplified way of trading. If you're talking about naked trading, if you know what's naked trading, that's like just trading with your eyes.
I
Like
know.
not using anything, no indicators, no
Mhm.
robots, nothing, like just naked trading. So that's the best way possible. I've become very
Oh
profitable with
yeah.
that. I found myself very profitable from just trading. Let me see, just when alive, but let me try to show you maybe like a trading account of mine, like a bit of a history, like
All right.
um a bit of a history where like, and this is just, I don't use anything. I just kill it myself, bro. Let me just log into this last week. Okay, let's see
So
this past
you
week.
don't charge it all, it's just for free.
Yeah, bro. I don't. So this is my. So have a look. I don't know if you'll be able to see. It's gonna obviously make your face. You can see. Ah, man, the ring light is fucking it up. But if you look at my
Yeah, I
trading
can see.
history, this for the past week. If you look for the past week, this is one of my accounts here. And if you look at profit, it's
Oh
74,000.
yeah, I can see.
Yeah, And then look, if you look at this, just this just trading history. This, though that's not trade, that's a withdrawal. you know,
I can check.
So literally,
Hebrews
there's
only.
no. Yeah, the only time you see a red on my trading account, bro, is when I'm withdrawing. So that's
But
really the only.
I don't love the blue screens. I just like the charts and I just want to see how you'll analyze, take some points there.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah.
focus
No,
on the
listen,
blue
that's the
screens too
first part.
much.
If you can understand a graph, for like, if you can understand a chart, if you can get into a graph and just look at it, then then you know what's going on. Trust me, that's one
Yeah.
step to profit. Because the moment you get into a graph, you're like, let me just buy.
It's
Then it's a
what's
problem.
happening, yeah.
You know?
But then we just get an understanding, like you said, you make up your own things in Forex, like your Forex, what you are saying just now.
Mm, 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 mm.
But that's what I do. But then I accept, but thank you. All the best.
I bless, buddy, man. All the best. Hopefully I'll see you on tour, man. We've got a crazy tour coming up. Actually, we got approached by a company. I won't mention the name just yet up until things are, sealed and everything. Crazy tour, crazy stuff,
All right.
bro. They're actually offering to open offices for the Leadership M Academy, but I don't want to speak about much. It's crazy stuff, we're gonna have
Where,
live
where, where,
trading
where,
floors and
where-
stuff like that.
where's the tour located?
Where's the
The tour located.
Yeah, I'll have to wait. I have to wait for. I have to have a couple of meetings with this other company, and I'll give you more information. At the
Oh.
moment, my plan is to fuck up the whole of Africa, but like all 9 provinces, and just go everywhere. We'll see if
You don't want to do those live videos, that fee empowerments videos, that live that you done once.
I do. I stopped because initially I felt like I wasn't having the impact I wanted, but we're back on that now. That's why
Mm.
I'm back with a Sunday Night Leadership. So we're building up. The idea is to have 10,000 people in this life in about a year from now. They're just watching at the same
Oh,
time, and this is all for free because people pay for these kind of services, man. These things are expensive.
very expensive, but then it's money.
Yeah, of
They
course,
they
of
pay
course.
little to make so much money. They pay you so little to make so much money.
Yeah, for sure, for
But
sure.
you
Like,
here,
I was the other day where people are like, "Are you're generous, bro? You're doing for free." I'm like, "Bro, I'm just doing it because I can." But this thing is supposed to be worth like 50,000 because if you pay 3,000 rand just for a cause and for knowledge that could change your whole life,
imagine,
that's worth more
and that
than.
3,000, like they are the shop people, like they can. understand something like in a month.
Yeah,
Then they
yeah.
bring that with all the money.
Yeah, not true. But thanks
But
for joining
then,
the live, bro. I love the fact that you enjoyed it. And yeah, man, stay tuned. There's more coming.
all right. Thank you, bro.
Let's go.
Bless Sunday.
That's Kati there. He was part of the session, guys. I'm glad you guys are loving Sunday Night of Leadership. This is our first. And yeah, too many more sessions and too many more growth, you know. So yeah, you guys keep me in your prayers. You know, like I said, I've got a proposal from a certain company. I don't want to mention any names yet, obviously. Till I'm pretty sure that they are actually they are approving my proposal. You know, so I told them that no, I want 1, 2, 3, and this is what I want. So we first gotta wait for them to actually, if they are willing to spend, you know, so if they are willing to actually come on board with our to empower, if their vision aligns with ours, then yeah, it's fine, you know. So yeah, yeah, man, that's what I can say, you know. And guys, I'm all for positivity and stuff, man. These things of you guys coming onto my live and speaking about brokers and speaking about what and other people and stuff. Cut that bullshit, man. I'm here for myself. This is leadership, you know. It's Leadership Sundays, all love and positivity. If I see anybody talking bullshit, I go block la. That live video scam account or those funny accounts, bro. And I'm all love, man. I deserve the same thing back, you know. So yeah, 2 more sessions, of course. Toast to that. But my drink is finished. But toast to that. 2 more sessions. 2 more greater sessions. Please save the life. I will. Free empowerment, obviously, that's leadership. It's something that I always wanted to do. So I'm so happy that I'm within it, man. Like I feel it. I'm so happy now. I'm gonna sleep peacefully. We're praying for your leadership. You're helping us to break generational curses. Man, touching my heart. I'll come to Kenya, bro. Definitely. I never thought that this was this easy. Please save the life. I'll definitely save the life. I'll definitely save the life. I came in late. I'll definitely save the life so you can watch it, man. Definitely will. I definitely will. Hey, so many requests. Guys, I was not aware. Who must I add? Let me see. First option. Forex memes. Let's add that. Let's see. Yeah, I'll be coming with good energy, buddy. I'm all love, man. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna add you. You can't hate on me though. How many people hate on me? I love you, bro, for real. I mean, God bless you, man. Forex memes. So let's add. Ooh, yeah. The amount I would draw nearly made my friend mad me. All from your signals. Yeah, money gonna make you enemies, bro. Money is definitely gonna make you enemies, you know. Money is definitely gonna make you. That's the reality of Zaga. Zaga you bagala manava. You know, Zaga you bagala manava. Ke flopa Zaga iraso. So, but you can't stop and remain and be poor or something. Who must I add? Let me do this. Who must I add? I'm trying to add you. I saw that you. Hello.
Yeah, thank you for the session. I wanted to ask you something.
Yeah,
It
boy.
was great. Because like on daily, the market has reached the highest point. So there's no way that the market will drop down anytime soon.
Look, technically the market, even if it drops, man, so what happens on daily is that in most cases the market is forever on a high on daily. You understand?
Yeah.
So if you check out the daily chart, let me just check my screen right now. So if you check out the daily chart, is that the market will forever be on a high. Initially because it is less technical on a daily, right, than it is on H4 and other lower time frames. Understand? So
Yeah.
in in most cases, let me just allow me. I want to say something, but I just want to confirm my fact quickly. So in most cases, let me see. Yeah, in most cases, the market can spend about 9 months, 9 to 10 months, moving on a new high, literally on daily. That's just how it is. Like after every month, we catch a new high almost every second month, every new month. So because of the time frame that it is not even a time frame that's tradable. Like you can't trade Nasdaq on daily. It's gonna be very difficult for you to spot entry, like unless you turn about 20 million or something, you know.
You know, like what I
So
mean. I couldn't mostly like on daily, it creates lower low, higher high, just like that. So like what I've realized, it has been buying. So like it has reached the highest point on daily,
on a daily,
technically.
yeah.
So it seems like
So,
it's gonna like when you drew your uptrend lines.
so let me tell you the best advice I could tell you, right? When obviously you're seeing now you see, when you go on to daily, it looks like it's on a very high peak, and buying daily looks a bit
Yeah.
risky. So what you do is move down to about H4, and then H4, between H4 and 3 hours or 1 hour, and then check how it retraces. So what it would normally do is that it would normally use just one candlestick. Maybe it would use like 1 day or 2 days to retrace and then pull back up and continue the trend. So it would use about 2 or 3 candlesticks to catch the drop, like to actually just turn direction and create a low, you know. But then on a daily, it can be low. It appear as just like maybe a candlestick weakness, or like, you know, a doji, a very small candle that you would not actually realize that no, that was actually a low that was created. So that's what normally happens. Like look at, if after the live, go look at daily chart from the 20th of November, or from the 17th of November till now. Honestly, what's been happening on daily does not make sense. Like it's just weeks, small weeks, small weeks, small weeks, small weeks. But when you go down to different time frames, you actually start to understand that no, all these small candlesticks on H4 actually kind of highlight what's been happening on the bigger time frame. So you just need to have a very good understanding of time frames, you know. So it's not all the
Yeah.
time, or daily. It's not all the time that when daily is all the way up, it means we are up there forever. Like, you know, it really, we could be creating lows on other time frames where you can just eat very fast. That's what happens all the time, you know. It's like once. I mean, this year, let me see how many times did the market drop on daily this year. Let me just check for you. Let me check for you. I'll check for you now. I want to see if how many times did it actually drop. It dropped around about, I don't know what. It dropped like I'm daily. It dropped July. Which year is this? 2020. Okay, no, 2020. Yeah, this year it dropped like one, two, three, four. 4 times this year. You know, on daily. It only had.
Was it September, October? There was a point whereby market was dropping down to create
Yeah, that's
another
September.
lower.
Yeah, that
Okay,
was
September.
September. Yeah, September, and we're chasing the previous daily high that happened on the 23rd of April. That is why it dropped. So go check out, if you go check out, where did it go turn? It turned on, the price was 14,257. That happened on the 26th of April 2021. That's why it dropped that heavy. So for me, it was not a heavy drop. I was expecting, okay, once it starts dropping like this, I know for sure. Because in a full year, daily chart will drop around 5 times. 5, 6 times on Nasdaq. You know.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, yeah, man, that's just, you know, a few skills. But I like the fact that you actually that focused. I wasn't expecting that question, but yeah, that's you must learn. So the best advice I can give you: go master time frames, master technical, understand movement. Like, you know, you don't even have to start going with it daily, man. Or, you know, 1 week, just one good week, you can literally
Yeah.
just make so much money. So 1,000 rand, like I funded 1,000 rand last week, and I'm gonna be pushing 1,000 rand account this week. And yeah, I'm probably gonna push it to around like 40, 30,000, depending on, you know, my entry points and stuff and how I do it. But just master entries, like know when to go into the market and not to trade, like those type of stuff. And then with sharp, you know, just easy on yourself. Don't go too hard on yourself as well.
Oh, okay. I was just confused. I thought Bele maybe for this month, these 2 weeks is gonna drop because like in my mentality, again, let that mentality of every time it bounced through, let me show you something on my day time frame. I've been trying to
Yeah.
switch up my yeah.
So anyway, so the worst possible drop, irrespective more daily, is more guy. It's
Okay.
the worst possible drop. It will come 10 by let me see this. It will come turn initially maybe around 16, around 16,400, 16,420, somewhere there. That's like if it were to drop, and that would take about a day. It would be like 1 day movement. It's not about a whole week or for 3 weeks. It will take about a day or two, then it'll continue going up. Price of
Can you see my
16.
screen?
Yeah, that's one. I can see.
Yeah, you see now it created another high. I was expecting it to stop until this low, so there's no way. Cause
Okay, let me see. Let me see that low. Move your I get one. I get one. I can't see which low. I get one. I got the one low. We pointing out. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. Tell me the price. Tell me the price. I see. What is it? You know what you must do? Because I get one sharp. Send me a screenshot. On in the DM. Send me a message with DM. A screenshot. Tell me the price, and then I can just advise you quickly. Kubon or Lena is how strong is that low that you're talking about? So you don't
it's
lose
around
money.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I want so yeah. And then and then I can have a look at it. Oh, my laptop just died. Jesus. But yeah.
Oh, okay. No, thank you so much for your time.
Nah, it's when you're all the best, man.
Sup.
That's probably she just joined her life. I guess she also had a nice leadership, Sunday night leadership. Sunday night with leadership. I also did the same analysis. Perfect. What does it mean when you try and close a trade and it says off quote? It means that it is off quote, or maybe the price changed while you were closing or something like that. I wouldn't know. Of course, yeah, that's it's not quoted with the broker or something like that. Yeah, that's what initially happens. But if you normally when you try again, you close. I'm looking for not to drop till 16,458. Yeah, we'll look into that. We'll look into. Thank you for this question. God bless. God bless. God bless, guys. I'm gonna save the video. You guys have watched the video. If you just joined the live now, and yo, man, I mean, I'm tired. I gotta prep for my week as well. Got a crazy week ahead. Yeah, man. I'm gonna take one more request, but my laptop died, so I can't even do much. One more request. Let's see who can come into the live. One more request. Oh, let me add before we let me get added before. Okay, let me get added. Hope you joined. Okay, Hitler's on point, brother. I'm praying for more and more women in Forex. Powerful, yeah. I'm definitely also praying. I'm hoping, and I've actually got a program set up that I've written down regarding women in Forex. And yeah, I would love to engage with women in Forex and actually show them this is an industry. This industry is not it's not for men. It's not men are Forex traded. No, it's not. I could say I see water lifting. I see weightlifting. Really weightlifting on the other side. So this just needs manahano fella. That's all. Yeah. So yeah, Sunday night, team leadership month. Of course. Please, when you send signals, make a stop loss. You're demanding free stuff. Go for free signal. You want to demand signals and stop losses. Hey, lazy. Stop being lazy, chief. You cannot look at the chart. Just look at the time I give you a signal. Look at the chart. You can spot out to take profit and a stop loss. Do not demand like I'm in for women in Forex. Definitely, women in Forex. I'm looking to work with a few female traders actually. I actually tried. I've reached out to Stacy recently. He has no Stacy, obviously. I reached out to her. I reached out. I've been having obviously a few conversations with Kelly. So yeah, I mean, women in Forex is actually I hope to help empower and get the message across to women that women actually also could be a powerhouse. They also actually the industry is not biased, or it's not aimed at one person. I mean, I remember when I met Keleto a few years ago, man. It's an amazing feeling to see her where she is now. And when I first met her, got private course, and now she's where she is, man. It's a blessing. Sisanda, of course. Sisanda also. I also reached out to Sisanda recently. It's just my weeks have been crazy, so I should speak to her tomorrow. As I also reached out to her. So yeah, woman in Forex is definitely a goal. Woman in Forex. That's yeah. Kelsey, please add her on your team. Kelsey's an amazing mentor. She's an amazing trader, an amazing individual as a whole, man. She's very I would say open-minded. She's very ambitious for the industry as well. She's driven, yeah. So I'll definitely like to. There's the few ladies that are definitely. Well, Keleto, her and I've known her for a long time, obviously, because she did come to me for a private course and stuff like that. So yeah, way back. So yeah, and then I grew to understand her vision around the industry and what she wants to achieve, and I've witnessed her do that every single year, just growing into greater elements and everything. So I love it, man. I love to see it. I love to see people win. The fact that you don't eat alone, bro, we're good to keep. Yeah, you could. How can I? Yeah, there's nothing. Whether I win or lose, people, if I give you 50K, how much will I get? I'm not interested in learning. I want to trade for me. Go hang yourself on a tomato tree. I don't need your cash, but 50,000 again. Look, block on boril. Block. Borile maseba mfana. Borile. Borile nyoko straight. Ufama 50,000. Umangwe no to fana 50,000. Go trade. Just like Ramoto. Like, my life. Yeah. Monthly admin, let's talk, bro.